Sleep is one of the crucial parts of our daily routine. Research suggests that sleep is important to remove toxins from your brain that build up while we are awake. According to the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, sleep affects almost every type of tissue and system in the body, from the brain, heart, and lungs to metabolism, immune function, mood, and disease resistance. Research found that a chronic lack of sleep or getting poor quality sleep increases the risk of disorders that include high blood pressure, heart problems, diabetes, depression, and obesity. Therefore, you need to take care of your sleep habits. In today's video, I'm going to share some of the simple tips or some of the simple habits that would help you get better sleep. As you are aware that a good night's sleep is essential to maintain both physical as well as mental health. These simple tips will help you sleep better and be more energetic and more productive during the day. So let's begin. So the first habit is stick to your sleep schedule. You should make a sleep schedule for about 6 to 8 hours. However, the amount of sleep your body requires depends on your physical and mental health. Some other factors that might affect your sleep schedule or the amount of sleep your body requires include your eating habits, mental pressure, stress level, and some others. So try to go to your bed at the same time every day and maintain your sleep schedule. You need to be consistent to get a healthy sleep-wake cycle. In case you find it difficult to fall asleep within about 20 to 30 minutes after going to your bed, so leave your bed and do some relaxing activities. For example, you can either listen to a soothing music or read a book or listen to your favorite podcast and again go to your bed when you feel like a little tired. This will help you fall asleep easily. Then coming to the second habit, which is limit daytime naps. So for those people who take daytime naps should always keep in mind that if they take long daytime naps, it will interfere with their nighttime sleep. In case you take a nap during daytime, keep it short for about 30 to 45 minutes only. Also, don't take a nap so late. However, if you work at night, you need to make your nap time and sleep time schedule accordingly so that you can get sufficient sleep time or sufficient time for sleep. Then coming to the third habit, which is include physical activity in your daily routine. So if you want to get better night's sleep, try to do some physical activity like walk, exercise, or dance during the daytime. So regular physical activity is known to promote better sleep. Then coming to the fourth habit, which is keep distractions away. Apart from television, some other possible distractions in your bedroom include laptops, tablets, and even music systems, or of course mobile phones. Also, try to avoid bright light in your bedroom area and make your ambience more soothing and more comfortable. It will help you improve your sleep quality too. Then coming to the fifth habit, which is eat at least 3 to 4 hours before sleep. So it is always advisable to keep at least 13 to 14 hours gap between dinner and the next day's meal or breakfast. So this will help you get sufficient time to purify your body. So your body gets sufficient time to purify itself during this time. So if you could not do this due to your work schedule maybe, so try to keep at least 3 to 4 hours gap between dinner and sleep. So this will help you get enough time or sufficient time to digest your meal and will help you promote better sleep. So if you plan to sleep at about 10:30 p.m., so try not to eat after 8 p.m. Then coming to the sixth habit, which is stretch for about 5 to 10 minutes just after you reach your bed. Stretching just for 5 minutes can help you relax all your joints and promote better sleep. So this is very important. This is very important to do stretching to relax your joints. This will definitely help you good night's sleep. Then come to the seventh habit, which is meditate for at least 5 to 10 minutes before sleep. So meditation can help relieve any stress or anxiety you had during the day. It is very important to relax your mind before you go to sleep. So always go to sleep with a happy mood, with a happy mind, with a relaxed mind. So meditating for about like 10 to 15 minutes is a very good idea. It is a very good habit to help you relax your mind and promote better sleep. So these were some of the healthy habits to promote better sleep. Try to limit any distractions before sleep and relax your body, relax your mind before going to sleep. So taking a good night's sleep is very important to maintain physical as well as mental health of your body. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.